Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation x to the power of y is equal to y to the power of x. So I want to find both of the values of x and y. And there could be multiple solutions to this. So to solve this, I'm going to first let I'm going to let y equal to k times x. K being a constant, so k can be any number. So this means that, going back from here, I have x to the power of kx, I'm substituting kx for y, is equal to kx to the power of x. Now I'm going to take the square root on both sides, so I get x to the power of kx to the power of 1/2 is equal to kx to the power of x to the power of 1/2. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So now I get x to the power of kx over 2 is equal to kx to the power of x over 2. Now, I'm going to take the power of 2 over x on both sides. So these two cancel out, and these two cancel out, and I'm left with x to the power of k is equal to k times x. Now I'm going to divide both sides by x. So these two cancel out, and I get x to the power of k over x is equal to k. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m over a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So this turns into x to the power of k minus 1 is equal to k. And now if I take the power of 1 over k minus 1 on both sides, these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to k to the power of 1 over k minus 1. So this is the value of x. So now remember how y is equal to k times x. So this means that y is equal to k to the power of k over k minus 1, because x is k to the power of 1 over k minus 1, so this times k would just be k to the power of k over k minus 1. Now, remember, k is just a constant, so I'm just going to let k equal to the number 3. So if this is true, then this means that y is equal to 3 to the power of 3 over 3 minus 1, which is 3 to the power of 3 over 2, which is the square root of 3 to the power of 3. And if this is the value of y, then going back, x to the power of y is equal to y to the power of x. So the square root of 3 to the power of 3, the square root of 3 to the power of the square root of 3 to the power of 3 is equal to the square root of 3 to the power of 3 to the power of x, which is equal to 3 to the power of 1 over 2, which is the square root of 3. So we can check if this is true by using the property a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n, meaning these two multiply, so I get the square root of 3 to the power of the square root of 3 times 3 is equal to the square root of 3 to the power of 3 times square root of 3. So these two are equal to each other, meaning our value of x in relationship to y is true. Now, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and share this. Thank you. Alright, so in this video, I'm solving the problem 9 to the power of 900 minus 9 to the power of 901. So, to solve this, I'm going to first start by rewriting 9 to the power of 901 as 9 to the power of 900 plus 1. And from here, if I have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So I get 9 to the power of 900 minus 9 to the power of 900 times 9 to the power of 1. And now I can factor out 9 to the power of 900. So I get 9 to the power of 900 times 1 minus 9. And this is equal to 9 to the power of 900 times negative 8. So now I'm going to move the negative sign to the front, so I get negative 9 to the power of 900 times 8. And to fully simplify this, I'm going to rewrite 9 as 3 squared, so I get negative 3 squared to the power of 900. And I'm going to rewrite 8 as 2 to the power of 3. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So I get negative 3 to the power of 1800 times 2 to the power of 3. So this is my solution.